I'm not sure if you've experienced this as a child growing up, when your teachers or parents told you to do some stretches and you barely felt anything. As an adult though, trying to touch my toes is incredibly painful. So that's what we're going to be doing today, stretching. It is really good for you because it helps loosen up the body and sometimes even relieve some stress. So in today's low intensity interval training workout, we're going to be stretching for 45 seconds, resting for 15 in 5 rounds. Are you ready to make some stretches in minutes? The stretching begins in 15 seconds. So to start, we're gonna put our hand on our head and we're gonna tilt our body to the side just like this. And bring it back up, and we're gonna do the same on the other side. Starting on our right, left hand on top, bring it down to your right until you feel a stretch, and we're gonna bring it back up. Now change your hands and put on your head, reach to the left side, feel that stretch, and bring it back up. Just like so. And remember to breathe. Breathing is very important while we're stretching. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. We'll squeeze one more in. And done. All right, now we're gonna do some forearm stretches. So palms facing the sky, grabbing the opposite hand, pulling the left hand back until you feel the stretch and bring it back up. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. And palms up, grab your right hand, grab your left fingertips, pull it down, bring it back up. Do the same on the other side. We're past the halfway point, way past it. Remembering to breathe with every stretch. 10 more seconds. Now we're going to shake our hands out. And 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to touch our toes opposite sides. So right hand touches the left side while keeping the back leg stretched. Bring it back up. And do the same on the opposite side. Right leg stretch, left hand touch. And right hand, keep your left leg straight, bend your right knee and touch your right hand on your left toe. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. Keep going until you feel the stretch. The moment you feel the stretch, bring it back up. We're past the halfway point, a little bit past it. Five more seconds. Touch it one more time. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do some neck stretches. So keep your left arm horizontal, bring your right hand and turn your neck down, and release your left hand down to your hips. And bring it back up. And we're going to alternate each side. Now, left hand on top of your head, right hand straight. Turn it and drop your right hand. Bring your right hand up, bring your head back up. Now do it the same on the left. Left horizontally, right hand on your head. Turn it this way and drop your left hand. And we're going to repeat that on both sides until we run out of time. All right, we'll do one more stretch. Now shake it out. There we go. Now we're gonna do some hip flexor stretching. So put your right foot forward, keeping that back leg straight, and push your knee forward like so until you sink your hip towards the front, like so. Starting with our left leg. Now, Left leg, right leg straight, sink it in and bring it back up. Swapping sides, right foot forward, left leg straight, sink in your right knee forward and bring it back up. Now keep switching it up at your pace. Ten more seconds. One last stretch. Now shake out your legs. Let me know if you felt any stretches in your tendons or your muscles while you're doing that routine. Leave in the comments below if you feel more looser or just discovered how tight you are. Hit the like button and subscribe for more workout videos. I'll catch you in the next exercise. Ciao, ciao.